with the venom and eliminate him. Other words, I'm intimate him. I don't wanna hurt him, but I did him in a fit of rage. I'm murdering again, nobody will evade him. Finna kill him and dump the fucking bodies in a lake, obliterating everything is iterator. Renegade him, hit him again. Anybody who want it with the pin and frame it, don't nobody want it, but they're gonna get it anyway. I'm beginning to feel like I'm mentally ill, I'm a killer, killer, be killed, I'm a killer, be the vanilla gorilla, you bringing the killer with it. Me out of me, you don't wanna be the enemy of the demon who in me, and being the receiving enemy. What's the to be every bit of me's the epitome of a spitter when I'm in the vicinity. Motherfucker, you better duck or you finna be dead the minute you run into me. 100% of you is a Get over here!
Man, get the fuck out of here. Big trappers said they cut me off the navel. I'm a mama pushing yayo. If I get it, then I got it, then I say so. Arrogant bitch, I'm an a-hole. Shoe bottle redder than tomato. Since I'm the head, now you gotta get filet. Who the realest nigga that ever done did it? I'm the type of trippin' that you never want visit. My click it, bitch I ball. X-ray vision, no credit card limit. The cheddar I'm spinning, I'm wearing authentic. This right here, Montclair. All y'all shit be fake. Get the fuck out of here.
I guess it started with my father working at his pizza parlor, washing dishes, folding boxes, and taking people's orders. Back when all the phones recorded, you know, when there's a storm and begging parents for some Jordans unaware it short the mortgage before 6th grade. I had a job to get paid. Waking up at 6 on the weekdays was a bitch. They had me in the sticks, throwing paper on the steps of the rich. Every step I was taking felt like less than an inch, so I quit and stayed with Pops mowing lawn since the parlor had gone out of business. And this was just the way he moved on. Oh, every day he would wake with a yawn that I knew was way different.
Oops.
Hey!
No, don't leave me! Don't leave me! Please, don't leave me!
I have a resin. I have a
Carbon Fiber.
Carbon Fiber Resin Ring.
Ta-da!
Waste of time, 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 waste of time. Irna, me patai. 잠깐 wake up, 잠깐 쉬. Waste of time, 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 waste of time. Irna, me patai. 잠깐 wait.
Percent of me, I'm about to fucking finish you, bitch. I'm available. You wanna battle? I'm available. I'm blowing up like an inflatable. I'm undebatable. I'm unavoidable.
Man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. I just wanna be the man my dad never was. Hear my music, it's all soul. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep cheering. No interceptions, no interference. I'm on an A-team, no Ed Sheeran. I'm headed for the stage now, they clearing all the bad women in the building. Man, there's bad women in the building. Let's get it started tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down, so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living. Oh yeah, this baby. Life, this life, this life, all I got. This life. Hey. So let's drink all I got, yo. Everything that we've been through. Yo, ain't nobody shutting it down the way I'm killing. killing it and anybody talking shit, acting like they innocent. Well, I just wanna be the one to let you know it's sentiment. I'm kissing on your girl and I lip gloss cinnamon. I love it. You set the bar, I'm above it. Backing down, I never does it. Plus I'm buzzing. You got one, I got a dozen. If she's taken, I hope she got a cousin, cause she's hotter than the Arizona landscape. Plus I better do the things that a man can't. I'm a chef and that dude is a pancake. We can keep it a secret just like a handshake. Shit, life ain't free, but alright, let's see what the world brings you. With a guy like me, we could dive head first, baby, I'm an OG. It'll be all good, just fly with me tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down, so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. So let's drink to everything that we've been through. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down, so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey, and I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living.
3 days later.
Living this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey, so let's drink to everything that we've been through.
3 days later.
You. Thank you for
watching